Top Gun with George Waters. So I spent a week in San Diego recording jets with John Fasal. But the jets themselves are not that interesting. They sounded kind of wimpy. So I created a library of mostly exotic animal roars, lions and tiger roars and monkey screeches. It took forever, which the studio was very frightened by and didn't understand. So at one point in the middle of this process, there was an executive from the studio. He came over to fire me. And he said, "This movie isn't about the sound." But months later, we were nominated for an Academy Award. And I will say that he sent me flowers. And the note said, "I guess it was about the sound."